Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing my very first Maniology Mani and Me box. There's my 10% off code if you need one, DLoves10. And this is my very first Mani and Me box. September is my birthday month, so I wanted to get the Mani and Me box. I also love Halloween, so I like getting the Halloween themed plates and polishes and have fun with that. I got the free ice cube stamper with my order, and I basically just wanted to do an unboxing, and hopefully I'll be able to do a Mani with this really soon. But since I'd never done a Mani and Me box unboxing, I wanted to do one. Kind of like my happy birthday to me gift. So I just wanted to show what's in here. Hocus Pocus is the theme. Let's see. Transform Love Potion Exert. Okay, so we brewed up 2 vials of highly pigmented stamping polishes to transform those fingertips. Love Potion is an irresistibly creamy pink, ready to enchant the heart of your beloved, and Black Magic, a potent black polish laced with holographic glitters for nail art that's truly hypnotic. Charmed, purple crystal drawing brush. So let's see what this is. Awesome. Okay. Stamping guide. And this one looks great. I don't do a lot of, actually I pretty much don't do any hand art, but this brush I think is going to be perfect for lead lighting or reverse stamping. The crystal clear ice cube stamper, I actually already have one. I did a video on it and I really like it. But that was free this month. I heard these candies are terrible. I'm not sure I'm going to try it. Show you the plates and then we'll open the polish box. Okay, so MXM015. I'm going to come in close here so we can really get a good look at the images on here. MXM015. And this one here. Okay, I'm back. And I was going to show you MXM016. I wanted to show you the images on this card. While I was showing you the last stamping plate, my card got full, so I had to stop and download the one video I shot and then reformat the card so that I could continue on. I like those moon phases right there, and last night was a really full moon, which was awesome. MXM016. So I thought, oh, I'll just take my polish off and plan to do a Mani. Well, I notice that I have a break right here. So I think I'll have to fix that before I continue on. I was looking at that yesterday, but it's I was nurturing it from a previous break, and I had an acrygel layer on top of it, and then I thought it was healed, but it wasn't. And then these two broke at the same time, and this one does have an acrygel a silk wrap, crazy glued silk wrap, and then a gel base with acrylic powder on top. So anyway, I'm nurturing these guys back to health, and they're not looking too great. But normally I prefer them to be more like this length. So I think I'm just going to fix those and then sand everybody down, file everybody down so they're a little more even. But I wish these guys were not broken, but such is life, huh? Well, thanks for joining me, guys, in this special edition. Oh, I almost forgot to show you these polishes. Ugh. Oh gosh, a kitty cat's gonna get in frame here in a second. Goodness gracious. He likes to sit here. Oh, there he is. His name is Skar. Say hi, kitty. Wonder where all the cat hair comes from. Oh, goodness gracious. Okay, so this is B292 called Love Potion. Oh, goodness gracious. There's a kitty cat tail in the way. What a silly. Okay, I can see that I'm going to have to move you. I can't even see the... There we go. Oh, good. Maybe he's going to sit down. Love Potion. It actually looks really similar to the color I'm wearing, which is a gel polish. Okay, somebody's making a mess. And then this one I think is a gorgeous color for this month. It's a black hollow called Black Magic, and it's B293. And I think that's going to look fantastic on. Anyway, Skar, you see him, decided to get in camera. This is his first appearance. Say hi, Skar. When he was a baby, he was a few weeks old, my son found him at the school, and he had, looked like something wrong with his eye. It looked like he had a scar on his eye, so that's how he got his name. But him and his brother were about 3 weeks old, and they had been abandoned by their mamas. So he brought them both home, and we formula fed them, and now they're just the sweetest little guys. Anyway, that's my story today. And that is September's Manny and Me box. I hope you enjoyed, especially meeting Mr. Skar. Let me see if I can get his little face. Oh, cutie. Cutie. Okay, guys. I was going to do a Manny, but I think this guy's going to be in my way. So maybe I'll try to do that later on today. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for subscribing, and thank you so much for all your support. I am going to be doing a giveaway very soon, and if I can, I'm going to film that later on today. Thanks so much. Take care, and we'll see you soon on the next one, guys. Bye.